Hey up everyone, the sun's shining, it's 6.5 degrees. I'm just about to set off and go and look at a Kia Sportage. There's a crease in the rear quarter panel and a couple of little dents around the car. So I'm going to set off now, I'll show you it soon. Before we look at the damage, the rear light needs to come out for access. The lights are easy to remove, just a couple of Phillips screws and it just needs a gentle tug and then it comes off. This long line which is on the quarter panel, so it goes from there all the way up to there. And a little one in the bottom. There you go. The crease runs the full length of the panel and it was caused by a wheelie bin handle when the vehicle was reversed close to it. Unfortunately, it doesn't take much to bend a panel or crease it. This impact would have only been a very slight brush. Okay, so how I'm going to repair this dent, this crease, I'm going to be using a long flag tip bar. So that's this. Okay, I'm going to be going through this hole here all the way through, and I'm going to just work it out millimetre by millimetre. It does take quite a long time to do. So it goes in there, like that, and then we just tweak it out like that. So I'll show you how I get on, okay? I'm starting to repair as far away as I can and I'm working back on myself, fine tuning the crease as I go along. Okay, so I get all a good look when I'm repairing cars, and I was fine up until I got to about here on the crease, and this area here is, I cannot access it with my bar, so I've had to take off the bumper slightly and take off the arch liner. There's a little hole here which holds the bumper on, so I took that out from a little bar. I'm going to go through there, I'm going to tweak it out like that and get to that bit there and tweak that bit out. So wish me luck. So I'm repairing this area here. You can probably see it's just slightly moving the panel, so you don't want a lot of pressure, you just want a little bit of pressure, just enough to see the dent moving. And now I'm going for the bottom dent, going for this one here, right on the edge. It's not a bad little dent to do, just a little bit sharp in the middle, but I'm right on there. And I'm just tapping it down very slightly, just using the weight of a hammer to tap the little bits down around the dented area. I'm just creating a soft dent so that I can lift it up evenly. And that's pretty much out now. The edge of this crease was difficult to access, so the glue pull system was used. This way I can get right onto the edge. And once the glue had set, I used a mini lifter, which I'm using now, or used a sliding hammer to draw the dent out, and then used the glue remover to remove any residue before I start tapping the dent back down. Using a hammer and tap down, I'm gently knocking down the dent back to its original level. A few more tweaks with different shaped tabs just so I can get different pulls, and we're about nearly there. Give it a little wipe. That's the repair done. Now to show you how I put it together again, but on a time lapse, so it's nice and quick. That's the bumper corner refitted and the arch liner. Here I'm using a cavity wax oil to protect the holes where the bar went through. This gives the area a level of protection from corrosion. Then the rubber grommets go in. I reconnect the light and then I slide it back on. I then check the light to see if it's fitting securely, then I refit the screws, check that the light works, and that's it. You can actually notice a small scratch underneath where I was repairing, and this scratch was on there before. Unfortunately, there's nothing that I could do with that other than polish it up, but the customer was aware of this before the repair was started. And here's the finished repair. I just need to wipe off my little marks, but apart from that, it's absolutely spot on. Dent-Remover. Paintless dent removal in Hull, Beverley and East Yorkshire. If you like our repair videos and would like to see more in the future, why not like, share and subscribe.